Hello everyone, I am Pratiksha Mate, student of Devgiri Institute of Engineering and Management Studies, Aurangabad. I am student of final year and in computer science branch. As a normal student search, I searched for an internships in Pune. Then I got a reference from Google for often CodeKul Institute. And I came here to know about the internships. When I came here, I also got an information about the various courses in of excluding Python also. I have selected for an Python internship. I have learned Python from scratch, got very helpful stuff, and also completed one project of Chatterbot. To complete this project, I got a very friendly mentor, and they solve my problems very easily and with proper techniques. It was really a good experience of CodeKul and have a great journey of coding. I recommend you, if you are interested in new technologies, please join the CodeKul. Thank you.